Hey everyone, so today is Ottawa's annual orchid show. They usually have it every year around April. They just have a bunch of local vendors and some vendors from out of town that come in to showcase and sell their orchids. And I also saw that they have a bunch of workshops as well that you can attend to. So we're going to go check it out. Stay till the end of the video to see what I got. They had these really cool Ikebana displays. Some of them were displayed so nicely. They also had a bunch of fragrance displays. You can go up right to the orchid and take a smell. They had this huge orchid display in the middle of the room. It was so tall and filled with a variety of different plants. The show had different workshops on how to take care of your orchids as well as how to repot them. The vendor area had a bunch of different orchids for sale, but they also had other items as well, such as dishes and other knickknacks, as well as airwords. So I just came back from the orchid show. They actually had a lot of beautiful displays, and I also ended up getting something. I wasn't gonna get anything, but I couldn't help it. I thought this little orchid was really cute. They were selling it at the stall with other rare Japanese plants. I'm gonna go home and repot this. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon to be notified for the next video.